Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. This video is just a walkthrough solve on how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. So let's get started. So let's scramble the cube. The scramble is on the top of the screen, you can see it. R2, F, D2, U2, B prime, R2, D2, B prime. So the cube is scrambled. If you have done the moves properly, your cube should look like this. Okay, so let's solve this. So the first step is to get the daisy cross, to get all the four white corner edges around the yellow center. So one is already there, other one is here, and you get it. Now to pair these colors and turn it 2 times. Now we get the white cross. Now we will have to look for a white corner. So one is here, white, orange, green. So white, orange, green is here. So this is the special case. So just do R dash D2 R and then you get it here. So it's on the left side, hide it on the right. So the same formula, opposite down, back up. Same thing follows for this and this. So the first layer is done. Now we will have to get a T shape. You didn't get T here. Now we got one here. So green, orange, it has to go to the left. So opposite, down, back, up. You get the pair here and the same thing. So you get the second edge here. Now we don't have any T because we have all yellow edges in here. So the edge which has to come here is blue and orange and it's here. And the one which has to come here is here. So what I do is I'll assume a blue T is done here and I'll move it to the right. So the one which was here will come out and it's here. The red T is done and red or green should go here. So opposite down, back up, opposite down, back up. Yeah. And now the blue T, blue and red has to go to the left. And the last one is here. So the 2 layers are done. Now the last layer. So L should be like this only. Now the first formula, F, R, U, R dash, U dash, F dash. You get the line. The same formula. You get the cross. And now you'll have to see for 2 adjacent cross. So here you got the special case wherein you got one cross and the other cross is on the opposite face. So if you have like this, keep the cube in any manner. Yellow should be on top and do the second formula, R, U, R dash, U, R, U square, R dash. And now try to get 2 crosses on 2 adjacent faces like this. Now turn the top layer once, the U move and you get the cross on the other face. And now do the second formula, R, U, R dash, U, R, U square, R dash. You get cross on all the faces. And now look at any one of the corners, yellow corner. So yellow, red and green. Yellow is here, red is here, but green is not here. So it's not in its place. So even this is not in its place, neither this nor this. So none of them are in its place. So do the third formula once, keeping the cube in any manner, but yellow should be on the top. So the third formula is U, R, U dash, L dash, U, R dash, U dash, L. Now any one of the corners should be in its place. So this is the one. Yellow is here, orange is here, blue is here. Now the same third formula, keeping the one which was solved on the right. Now this is not yet solved. and only this is solved. So the same third formula again, and see all the corners will be in its place. Now the one which is not oriented properly, keep that on the right and do the fourth formula till you get yellow facing the top, and then turn the top layer and get the one which is not oriented and continue the fourth formula till you get the yellow on top, and the cube is solved. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.